Street to take. So now today we are going to discuss about the topic quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, right? So first of all, what is quadratic equations? An equation is having a single variable and the decrease 2 is called as quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 only. In this, x is the single variable and a comma b comma c are the constants. Okay na, right? So ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation. Then b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Right? Okay. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2m. Right? So this is the roots of the given quadratic equation. Right? Let us see. So whenever the discriminant is equal to 0 only, right? Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Then the roots are real and equal, right? So that is minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a, right? So whenever the discriminant of delta b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are distinct and real. Okay na? Then the roots are distinct and real, right? So whenever the discriminant of delta is b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots. Then no real roots. The roots are imaginary. Okay na? When the roots are imaginary, right? So these are three conditions you have. It is important. So once again I am saying, clearly listen. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay. Next, whenever the discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots are distinct and real. Okay na? Right? So whenever the discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are no real roots and then the roots are imaginary. Okay na? Right? So take an example. So for suppose 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x into x minus 3. Right? Let us check it either it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay na? Right? See, I am checking here. So first of all we have to multiply this term into inside of the bracket only. See, then 2 into x, 2x plus 2 ones are 2. Okay na, is equal to x into x, x square and then x into 3, 3x minus 3x. Okay na, right? These 2x plus 2 transfers to RHS. Then x square minus 3x. Okay na, then plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Then plus 2 becomes minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let's see x square. See, minus 3x minus 2x. So whenever you have two minus symbols, we have to do addition, but the symbol is negative, right? 3x plus 2x is 5x. Okay na? Then minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? See here, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, it is a quadratic equation, right? So let us see another example. X plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7x minus 3 amma. Okay na? X plus 3 is equals to 2 into 7x minus 3. Right, see, x plus 3 is equal to, right, we have to multiply 2 inside of the bracket and then 2 7s are 14x minus 2 3s are 6 amma. Okay na? Right, these x minus 3 transfers to RHS, then we have to write down 4x minus 6. Okay na? Here plus x becomes minus x, here plus 3 becomes minus 3 and then is equal to 0. Right, here 14x minus x, 13x, okay na, minus 6 minus 3 and minus 9 is equal to 0. Right, see, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's why, therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay na? Right? So whenever the equations are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then that is belongs to quadratic. Otherwise, it is not a quadratic. Got it, all of you? Right? Next, find the roots of the quadratic equation QE is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 6 amma. Right? Now find the roots and 2x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, right? Let us write down 2x plus 5x plus 6 amma. Right? It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 only. Right? Let us write down from this a is equal to 2, b is equals to 5, c is equal to 6 amma. Right? So from this equation you have to find the roots amma. You have one formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right? So here you have the x variable, that's why you have to write here x and a. For suppose if you have y here, then you have to write y. Whatever you have the variable, that should be right here amma. Okay na? Right, let us substitute in this. See, x is equal to minus b and a. B means 5, then minus 5 plus or minus under root of b square means minus 5 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a means 2 and a, right? Then c means 6 amma, right? By 2a. 2a in a means 2 amma, then 2 into 2. Right? Let us do it. See, minus 5 plus or minus under root of, see, minus 5 whole square means 5 square means 25, minus into minus plus amma. Right? See, plus 25 minus, see, 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48 amma. 8 6 are 48. Right? By 2 2s are 400. Okay na? Right? Let us do it. See, minus 5 plus or minus under root of 48 minus 25. How much amma? 23. Right? You have bigger number having minus symbol, and you have to write minus 23 by 4 amma. Okay na? Right? See here. So in this you have plus or minus and okay na? So once you have to write plus, then after you have to write minus amma. Let us see here. Then minus 5, I am writing first plus amma, plus under root of minus 23 by 4. Okay, and minus 5 minus under root of minus 23 by 4 amma. Right? So this is the roots of the given quadratic equation amma. You have no real roots, it is imaginary. Okay na? So right, see, I'm checking it here. Then what you have? Discriminant amma, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac amma. Right? So what is b in this? B means 5 and a. Okay na? Right? 5 square minus 4 into a means 2 and c means 6 amma. Okay na? Right? See, 5 square means 25 minus 4 2s are 8, add 6 are 48 amma. Then you have how much only? Minus 23. 48 minus 25 is minus 23. It is less than 0. You have one condition already just I told in that first topic. Minus, if the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary amma. There is no real roots. That's why see here it is came the imaginary roots only. Got it all of you? It is important and whenever the roots are less than 0, okay, whenever the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Right? Next, find the nature of roots of a quadratic equation 5x square plus 2x plus 6 amma. Right? See, find the nature of roots only. Okay, nature of roots means discriminant amma. Okay, now discriminant, write down here, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac amma. Right? See, from that equation 5x square plus 2x plus 6 amma, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then from this a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2 amma, then c is equal to 6. Right? So now substitute in this b square minus 4ac amma. Okay na? See, what is b? 2 and a. Then b square means 2 square minus 4 into a means 5 amma into c means 6 and a. Okay, let's see. 2 square means 4 amma minus 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120 amma. Let's see, 120 minus 4 how much amma? 116. Right? So bigger number you have negative symbol, so keep minus amma here. It is also less than 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac less than 0. Then the roots are imaginary amma. Imaginary and no real roots. No real roots. This is the nature of roots amma. Okay, let's see. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, then find the other two sides. Right? See, solution, base is equal to x amma. Base is equal to x say. Right? See, how much less than amma? That base is how much less than? 7 less than. Okay na? Less than means minus. Okay, let's see. How much less than andi? 7 less than. Okay na? 7 less than means minus. Which one to less than andi? Base. What is base? X. Altitude is nothing but height amma. Okay na? Then height is equal to x minus 7. Right? And remaining given hypotenuse is equals to how much amma? 13 given. Okay na? Hypotenuse is 13 given. 13 centimeters. Okay na? Right? So these three you have to substitute in the right angle triangle amma. Okay na? ABC. Okay na? Right? This is hypotenuse and hypotenuse how much given? 13 centimeters. Okay na? Right? Height how much given? X minus 7. This is height. This is base amma. This is x. Okay na? Right? From this I to solve the problem. See, so from this right angle triangle we have to write down AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square amma. Okay na, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Right, means hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Right, let us substitute in this. What is AC? 13 amma. 13 whole square is equal to AB square. AB means x minus 7 whole square plus BC means x only, then x square. Okay na? Let's see. 13 square means 169 amma. 13 into 13, right? And x is equals to x minus 7 whole square amma. It is in the form of a minus b whole square amma. Right, in this a is equal to x, okay, a is equal to x, b is equal to 7 amma. Right, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Right, let us write it. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay na, right? See, a square means x square plus b square means minus 7 whole square minus 2 into a means x, b means 7 amma, right, plus x square. Okay na, right? Next see, x square plus 7 square means 49 minus multiply 2 7s are 14 into x, 14x plus x square. Okay na, let's see. This 169 transfers to RHS amma. Let us see, x square plus 49 minus 14x plus x square. This 169 transfers to RHS, it becomes minus now, then minus 169. Okay na, let's see, x square plus x square how much amma? 2x square. Okay na, right, minus 14x. Okay na, then 169 minus 49 amma. 169 minus 49 means how much amma? Minus 120. Okay, minus 120 is equal to 0. Okay na, right? See, so from this we have to take common 2 amma. Okay na, see, I am taking common 2 here, then remaining x square minus 7x, okay na, minus 60 is equal to 0. Let us check it. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 7s are 14x, 2 into 60, 120 amma. Okay, right, these two multiply here, then transfers to RHS, it becomes divided by, then 0 by something is 0 amma. Okay, let's see, I am writing x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay na, right here you have to find the factors amma. Okay na, right? See, you know already, just you have to multiply first and last terms, that is 16 x square, 60x square amma. Okay na, right? So now these 60, write down the factors. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay na, next 10 12 amma, right? Okay na, I am taking 2 digits only, one is 12, another one is 5 amma. Okay, right, I am taking 12 comma 5. If I am subtract these two, I will get that middle value amma. See, 12 minus 5 is 7 amma. Okay na, right? So do it. Let us x square minus, okay na, 12x, okay na, plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, right, I am taking common x from these two terms, then these two terms amma. From this common x in this x minus 12, here I am taking common 5, again x minus 12 only is equal to 0. Already I told in my previous video how did you common this. Okay, let us watch the previous video amma. Right? Okay na, let us check it. X into x, x square, x into 12, 12x. Okay na, plus 5 into x, 5x, then 5 2s are 12 and 5 2s are 60. ఓకేనా. లెట్స్ see, then write these two terms in single term x plus 5 and this is one term x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, write down 0 separately, x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 12 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to plus 12. You have to consider the positive values only. Okay na, do not take the negative values. Right, x is equal to 12 and then what is x here? Base is the x. Okay na, then what is the height? See, substitute x minus 7 and so highest x is equal to x minus 7, then x minus 2 amma, 12 minus 7 is equal to how much amma? 5. So therefore 5 is the altitude. Altitude is nothing but height amma. Okay na, right, this is how much amma? Base 12, this is how much amma? Height 5. Okay na, so this is the remaining two sets andi, 12 comma 5. Okay na, 12 comma 5 andi. Right, so this is the answer for this question amma.